Hey, Meadow. Oh, hey, baby. What's up? Nothing much. I'm kind of bored. Do you want to play a game? Oh, sure. I love to. What kind of game? Chicken. What? Follow me. I'll show you. Okay. Ow. Back. 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 Ah. Back. 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 No. This is hard. Yep. Okay, let's try it again. You go. Okay. Buck, 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 buck. Oh! Excuse me. Squeamishness. Ow. I'm a white. Buck, 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 buck. Ah! Meadow, you tabled this chicken gang. Excuse me. I was trying my best. I haven't played this game. It was my first time. Oh, yeah? Watch this. Buck, buck. Buck, buck. Buck. Buck, no! Darn it. Buck, buck. Buck. I give up. Loser. Shut up! Well, that means I'm gonna win, but everyone knows. But who cares? Ow. Thanks for watching. Oh, I hate this game. Shut up! I'm gonna go hang out with my wife. Or I should probably check on June.